You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one.
What's up, YouTube? Why am I out of breath? Today is Saturday, June 4th. It is my birthday weekend, so today we are gonna celebrate a little bit and then maybe some more tomorrow. Please excuse my hair. I was trying not to use heat on it this week, but I am gonna fix this a little bit later. We are gonna bake a cake for my birthday. We're gonna do the Dolly Parton banana cake mix because I found it somewhere and that sounded so good. Love. Big Dolly Parton fan. So we're gonna do that and then I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go out to dinner with some of my friends at this like cool carousel themed bar, restaurant place. I don't know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today and I hope you'll come along.
One thing really lead to one. See that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go.
Okay, so our cake layers are cooling and the house smells so good. I love banana. I know not everyone loves banana, but I love banana. It smells so amazing in the house right now. But while our cake layers are cooling, I'm gonna do something about this.
I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
So I got my hair straightened and I'm gonna style it later, like closer to when I'm leaving. I also straightened my extensions just in case I wanted to use them, but I didn't realize how much my hair had faded. Like I knew my hair had faded, but like I didn't realize it was that bad. My extensions are like black. My hair is sort of black in some spots, but not like at the roots or on the ends. Yes, my hair is very dry. I know. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear them because I don't know if they're gonna actually blend, but maybe I will because it's gonna be dark and who cares anyway. Now I think we're gonna go ice that cake, or at least try to put it together. I need like a clip or something. Okay, that's better. Let's go. Okay, so the cake turned out pretty cute. Oop, hey, a little bit lopsided, but I don't know. I don't bake a lot, so like for me, it was really good. It's in the fridge. We're gonna have it tomorrow after lunch with my parents. Right now, I am a little bit behind getting ready to go out. We're gonna go to dinner at this place called Wolfie's Carousel Bar. It's in Little Italy in downtown San Diego. Hopefully it's cute. The food, I'm not sure it's like my style, but it's supposed to be good, so we'll see. I don't have like the most sophisticated palate when it comes to food, and it's like a lot of stuff with like Wagyu, like fancy beef and like oysters. They have a caviar grilled cheese, but yeah, let's get ready. Okay though, like low-key, I have been vlogging from my phone because my vlog camera is just, she is tired. I probably won't film too much of getting ready because I need to charge my phone. I'm just gonna kind of touch up my makeup, add some lashes and some powder, maybe a lip, and I'm gonna get dressed.
1 hour later.
He's smiling, but in our patience, no
Sunday, June 5th, my actual birthday day. I'm always like in a good mood on your birthday, you know. Last night, I'm sorry, it was kind of hard to vlog, but we went to Little Italy in downtown San Diego, and we went to this restaurant called Wolfie's Carousel Bar. It was really cute, but it was really dark and really loud and really crowded. And I'm just kind of getting old for that scene. But beforehand, we went to this little wine bar. I don't even remember what it was called, but it was really cute. They had like this outdoor patio with live music, and so we just had like a little frosé and then went down to our reservation. I had asked all my friends to wear white just for fun, like to have a little theme, but everyone wore white with blue jeans, so we looked like we were doing like weird family picture, but it was cute and I appreciate everyone for humoring me. Dinner was pretty good. The drinks were really good. The decor was really cool. You can see in the couple clips that I did get, they have a revolving carousel in the center of the restaurant, and that is their bar. So like the middle is like doesn't move, and then the outside like around moves, so like where you're sitting moves, which was really cool. And then the table that we were at and like the row of tables had these like, I don't know, like these like bird cage type of things that we were sitting in, and then up above it had like the carousel horses that went up and down like above our table. It was really cool. Steven got a steak and he said it was really good. I got like a salmon dish that was just on special, and it was okay. I'm not a foodie, so we did have dessert, which I never get dessert, but it was my birthday, right? So we got the creme brulee and the beignets, and those were both delicious, just amazing. It's a little bit pricey. They wouldn't let me see the bill. I have the nicest friends. Also, they told us we had like a 90-minute experience. They let us stay for 2 hours. They never said anything about us needing to get up and leave, so that was nice. Afterwards, a couple of my friends had to leave, but we wanted to just do one more drink somewhere, so we walked down the street. Little Italy has a ton of restaurants and little bars. We ended up at this little like British pub. A little too divey for my taste. We just had some champagne. It was just nice to sit and chat with my friends. So home by midnight, no hangover. Definitely getting a little bit older. If you go back and watch some of my old birthday vlogs, it was a great night. It was exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. Today, the weather is beautiful. We are gonna go down to Cheesecake Factory at the mall, just my parents and Steven, and we're gonna bring Maisie and try to sit outside and just have a nice little lunch. I think we're gonna have the cake that I baked yesterday before we leave, and my parents got me a couple little gifts, so we're gonna do that. And then I think after that, just a pretty relaxing day. It's a Sunday. I've worked tomorrow. I need to do laundry and boring stuff like that. So yeah, just like a nice simple birthday this year. I love it. It's perfect. So that's gonna be the rest of our day. Keep watching.
One thing really do want. See that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People fear the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go.
Hi guys. Lunch with my parents was really nice. Steven and I stayed and walked around the mall for a little bit, but then we got tired. It's just been a long couple of weeks like before this, so I'm just so done with this day. I'm gonna do some laundry, take a long bath, and just relax and probably watch God's Girl for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow's Monday, back to work, back to real life. It was an excellent birthday though, and I'm so thankful to all of my friends who came and spent time with me, everyone who sent me a nice message, everyone who sent me gifts, got me cards. I love getting birthday cards. I had a really great birthday, probably one of the best, honestly. But yeah, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I love you, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.
Okay.